Hello guys, Sambonani and welcome back to my channel. Guys, after everything that has happened, I siphile movie lamzansi. So last week kumadlanga commission kwavela indzaba ye-Woolworths bag, that black bag lesifaka kuyo igroza. Kuthiwa leyo bag ithwala imali njani. Kate McClellan revealed that, and then umzansi wasala udividekile cause they were making jokes, some they were saying yana bengamelanga akhulume cause so exposed into etiningi. Guess what, today sithole sesine Woolworths bag le transparent lebonakala phakathi guys, like akadlali Woolworths, akafuni nje ukungena tukweti igama lakhe nje ngene phakathi kwemishikashika yabo Kate McClellan cause angini ukuthi leya bag beyikhona ukuthatha imali lengakanani iyise kuphi. Nako-ke sezivuka nebag lemhlophe, abantu bavele bakhala bathi hayi bo Woolworths thina sekumele siphathe amabheg labonakala phakathi, bomakhelwane bathi ubona igroza yethu. Mara nje ngithanda the way bavele bathi le yona sitoyingena, le yona angeke size nje size siyibambelele siyiphodisele maseko. Okay, asibaleni le ndzaba le yale Woolies bag usi-Kate wanika Bheki Cele imali ngayo ikhulunywe last week Thursday, and then 4 days later sekune-bag lentsha bese introduce-iwe. That shows ukuthi Woolworths nje akafuni nje ukuthi ingena futhi akafuni kusebenziswa igama lakhe to promote into ebugebengu. So guys, please like, comment and subscribe. Ngidonibona ku video elandelayo. Bye.